Hello friends, welcome to my channel Teaching Why. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.
Question number 1. Civil equality implies option A. Equality before law. Option B. Equality of opportunity. Option C. Equal distribution of wealth. Option D. None of these. The right answer is option B. Equality of opportunity. Question number 2. Which is the source of political power in India? Option A. The Parliament. Option B. The Constitution. Option C. The Parliament and State Legislative. Option D. We the people. Right answer is option D. With the people. Question number 3. Which one of the following is a political right? Option A. Right to contest election. Option B. Right to life. Option C. Right to equality before law. Option D. Right to freedom. Right answer is option A. Right to contest election. Question number 4. Fundamental rights in India are guaranteed by it through option A. Right against exploitation. Option B. Education and cultural rights. Option C. Right to constitutional remedies. Option D. The right to equality. Right answer is option C. Right to constitutional remedies. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not mentioned in the preamble to the Constitution of India? Option A. Fraternity. Option B. Equality of position. Option C. Adult franchise. Option D. Justice. Right answer is option C. Adult franchise. Question number 6. How many fundamental duties are included in Indian Constitution? Option A 9, option B 10, option C 11, option D 12. The right answer is option C 11. Question number 7. The right to vote in elections to a parliament is a option A fundamental right, option B constitutional right, option C legal right, option D natural right. Right answer is option B constitution right. Question number 8. The fundamental rights in our constitution are inspired by the constitution of option A United States of America, option B Switzerland, option C United Kingdom, option D Canada. The right answer is option A United States of America. Question number 9. Directive principles in our constitution are option A enforceable in the courts of law, option B quasi enforceable, option C partly non enforceable, option D non enforceable in the courts of law. The right answer is option D non enforceable in the courts of law. Question number 10. How many types of rights can be issued by the Supreme Court? Option A 2, option B 5, option C 3, option D 6. Right answer is option C 3. Question number 11. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Option A part 1, option B part 2, option C part 3, option D part 4. Right answer is option C part 3. Question number 12. Consent of the people means consent of option A majority of the people, option B a few people, option C all people, option D leader of the people. Right answer is option A majority of the people. Question number 13. Which one of the following is the guardian of fundamental rights? Option A political parties, option B legislative, option C executive, option D judiciary. Right answer is option D judiciary. Question number 14. Fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by option A 24th Amendment, option B 44th Amendment, option C 39th Amendment, option D 42nd Amendment. Right answer is option D 42nd Amendment. Question number 15. Freedom of the press implied in the right to option A freedom to speech, option B equal protection of the laws, option C freedom of association, option D work and material security. Right answer is option A, freedom of speech. Question number 16. No person can be employed in factories or mines unless he is above the age of option A 18 years, option B 20 years, option C 14 years, option D 12 years. Right answer is option C 14 years. Question number 17. Political equality is found in option A equal distribution of wealth, option B the rationality of the individual, option C universal adult suffrage, option D the absence of privileges. The right answer is option C universal adult suffrage. Question number 18. In India, the right to property is now recognized as option A natural right, option A natural right, option B a political right, option C a legal right, option D a fundamental right. Right answer is option C a legal right. Question number 19. Right to vote is option A natural right, option A political right, option C a legal right, option D a fundamental right. Right answer is option B a political right. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Option A right to liberty, option B right to property, option C right against exploitation, option D right to equality. Right answer is option B right to property.